I get this question all the time. Devin, should I unlist weak uploads when I'm trying to recover a faceless channel from a bad month? Short answer, usually no. Don't mass unlist old videos and expect the algorithm to forgive you. Recovery usually comes from fixing the next uploads, not hiding the last ones. Here's the decision rule I use. Keep, unlist, or remake. Keep it if the video is on topic, still attracts the right viewer, or picks up any useful search or suggested traffic, even if the views are small. Unlist it if it fails one of these three tests. First, it's off niche and attracts the wrong audience. Second, it breaks your current channel promise, so a new visitor sees it and gets confused. Third, it's so low quality or outdated that it hurts trust when it shows up on your homepage or in playlists. Remake it if the topic was good but the packaging or retention was weak. That's usually the better move than deleting history. Operationally, don't audit 200 videos. Start with the 20 to 30 uploads that get the most impressions from your channel page, browse, or suggested. In Satura, I'd tag those by topic fit, traffic source, and remake potential, then decide from there. So no, don't treat library cleanup as the recovery strategy. Treat it as support work. Spend most of your energy making the next 5 uploads tighter, clearer, and more consistent.